Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I just want to show you right quick. This here is probably going to be a little shorter video because pretty much what I'm going to be doing today is driving out these races on this and let's see here, over there on that, on the big outer housing, getting all the bearings out. Let me show you right quick. That spacer that I got into at the torch, I'm going to, I've already called the dealership and they've got me a new one ordered. I was hoping they would have a new one on hand, but they don't. And so, but they'll be getting a new one in. I told them just to get it in on a regular stock order. That way there's no shipping charges. And so hopefully it'll be in next Tuesday or maybe Wednesday. Wait and see. And then I've got a big race right down there I gotta get drove out, and then a race in here. All right, I gotta get that race knocked out. And so, like I say, I'm just gonna do a video on this part right here because, hey, driving one race, once you see one race get punched in, you've seen them all pretty much. There we go. Like I said, this here's the back plate. Okay, I've already got the race driven out of here. This here's where the drive shaft from the hydro comes through. You've got a bearing that drops in here. You got the big gear that drives the big bowl gear, and then another bearing on the other end. So there's that old race. And in here is the goodies. Let's see, that feels like a bearing. That is a bearing. Well, oh. That is actually the back bearing off of the axle. Okay, that is a drive shaft bearing. We're getting closer. Okay, there's a race. That's what I want. Put that back in there. Put that back in there for right now. And that. There we go. There's the new one. If you get it set just right, it'll seat in. Here's my trash bucket. That race seats down against this. That's like an insert right there. You can take this little square cap off, which I've already done. There's a grease seal that goes around there, or oil seal. And right between the square cap and the main frame, there are shims, and that's how you can set the preload on the bearings. There we go. Pop right in there. Good. Okay, well, I'll show you getting this race here popped out of the back. Come on. Okay, there's that one. That thing's heavy. Grab this 4x6, set on top of there. That'll help get it started a little bit more even. Yeah, it's got driving down. That gets hard on your arm after a while. Okay, I want to try something right quick. I'm going to take and see if maybe use the old race to help drive the new one in. You just gotta watch doing that though. However, if you set it right, put the big side down, that still lets you have a ledge right there. You can take a punch and knock it back out. That countersunk it. Getting closer. There we go. Got the bigger hammer. Okay. I believe that's good. I'm going to go around with a punch, do a little more tapping. Come on. Well, let's take a look. Okay, well, hey, we're back to the stop. Perfect. Okay, that's why I say it's going to be a little shorter video today, because that's basically what I'm going to be doing. Races, the bearings on that drive shaft, I'm going to have to take and torch them off, because just like the other two, they're stuck on there. Because like I said, you got to take and heat them up, that way they'll expand a little bit, put them on, and then as they cool, they contract back down and pinch down onto the shaft. So hey, that's going to be the end of this video. Take care. Thanks for watching. I guess you can call this here part 6. And maybe if it works out, when I get ready to put the big bearing on that axle shaft, I can try and video that there. I'll just have to see how things go. But then, like I say, I gotta get those 2 bearings on that drive shaft torched off, and the races in the outer housing, I gotta get those drove out, get the new ones drove in. And so, like I say, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So, I'll call this here an end to part 6. And take care. Thanks for watching. See you next time.